Hi, I know. Where was I yesterday? Don't worry, I didn't quit until now. I just didn't upload my video because I was not able to record. Because I went to my bed for a nap. Yes, I went to my bed for a nap and ended up sleeping. I didn't record, I didn't edit, I didn't post. I just slept. But it doesn't mean that I quit my challenge. I still studied yesterday. I just didn't record it. You should know that yesterday I got into fight with GitHub and ChatGPT. Managing multiple SSH IDs is hard on a PC, on a local PC. It's hard. Yeah, maybe I am dumb. And you know what is more hard? Not searching this problem on YouTube. And instead fighting with ChatGPT to get me an answer. Yes, I didn't went to YouTube to find this solution. I thought I am something, but you know what? This thing showed me the reality, and I ended up wasting around half of my day. Well, YouTube's guy would have given me solution in just 7 minutes. But yeah, it's me. So let's get to the point. What did I learn yesterday and today? In DSA, I did some basic maths question like printing all the divisors of a number, finding out the prime number, if it's a number, is it prime or not. GCD. I know you guys don't know what GCD is. GCD is greatest common divisor, or we can say HCF, highest common factor. Basically you have two numbers, 10 and 15. The number which is highest and is divisible by both the number is basically the highest common factor. In this example, it's 5 because 5 is divisible by 10 and 15 both. Say thanks me later. And learned about Euclidean algo, which reduces the time complexity almost half. It does by finding out the minimum number on given two numbers and doing mod of small number to big number, and it does it until one of them gets to 0 and the one which is left would be your HCF. It's kind of short formula. Instead of checking out each number and dividing it with both the numbers, what Euclidean algorithm does is you just need to do mod. Well, I didn't deep dive into it, but yeah, I got an idea and that's what I'm telling you. I learned about recursion. In development, I did work on my quote project and I hate development. It was all good and fine until I was able to show quote and author's name on the screen. The hard part arrived when I had to show some inspiring, stoic, dark themed image of the author, and there are so many authors whose image is not available online. Things messed up there, and I was just into the constant thinking about how do I get that image. Instead of that, I should have just showed an image and then should have thought about, okay, let's improve it. But I didn't do it anywhere. I reached this wall and I looked above it and it was too high, so I procrastinated. I woke up, I ate junk food, and then I didn't got to work on this project again. So basically I invested around 3 hours into this project and work on it basically, at least getting an image, and even if it's the bad quality image, or even if it's not, then I should put a placeholder image if I'm not able to find an image. But yeah, that should be in action, but I just thought about it. I thought it was way too hard and I quit working on the project. Yeah, that was the sum of yesterday and today. Thanks for watching.